Hi everyone, Dr. Group here. I love the start of the holiday season. The celebrations, the time with friends and family. We get to relax, catch up with each other, and eat delicious meals together. And I know the temptation is there to eat everything in sight. And once we're finished eating, we sometimes get that uncomfortable sensation of being bloated and overstuffed. I know it can be tough, but the first thing you can do to avoid this feeling is try to be mindful of what you choose to eat. Go for natural, organic, and healthy diet choices that you won't regret later. Another thing you can do is to moderate your intake by controlling the portions of the food you eat. Remember, it's okay not to finish everything on your plate. Even better, try intermittent fasting during the holidays to avoid any extra weight gain. Also, stay hydrated. Celebrating can take its toll on your body, and drinking water is a great way to stay healthy and help with digestion. Your health journey doesn't stop during the holidays, and neither do we. If you do indulge, we're here to help. Visit globalhealingcenter.com for helpful information like healthy recipes, stress management techniques, and other tips to help you reset your body and stay healthy. You can also shop our favorite cleanses and detox products beginning November 23rd with an extra Black Friday discount. From all of us at Global Healing Center, have a happy and healthy holiday season.